Hi, I'm Doug Burns. I'm the shop superintendent for Sessa Sheetmetal Contractors in Baltimore, Maryland. We're large commercial contractors. We do a lot of hospital work, school work, large high-rises, all large commercial. Well, in the past we have had a horizontal whisper lock machine, and we had a dual head Cornermatic years back. And so as our whisper lock started failing on us, it was a cable operated machine. We used it for years and years and years, so we saw that there was an update available, and we liked the idea of having one combination machine, mainly to save space. So saving space and opening up our work area for fabrication was the biggest deal. So just providing one area for our guys to go to and get our job done was key for us. When we received the machine, we had some issues with it. It was really not up to the standards of large production. It failed on us, I'm going to say 3 or 4 times. We had parts break on us, a drive chain came off, corners were getting stuck, what have you. But you know, Mestek came out and they did a retrofit for us, and it's wonderful now. I tell you, it's definitely beefy. It can handle our production. We do 30 to 50,000 pounds a week in material out of the shop, and it can hold up, and we're very pleased with it at the moment.
Hey, hi, I'm Tom Sessa. I'm the CEO of Sessa Sheetmetal Contractors in Baltimore, Maryland. Well, we had some issues with it in the beginning. Fortunately, our shop foreman, Doug Burns, and Mestek were able to work out, and they fixed it, which was a good thing, because a lot of people sell you a product and turn away, and you're stuck with it. You have to worry about it. This, they did, I'll have to say. Come back, worked it out, and we got the thing up and running, made some changes to it, and it's worked perfect.
I was actually out in the shop multiple times with Doug looking at through the machine, and he did a great job finding issues, identifying them, but the Mestek definitely stepped in and did what they had to do, and it's running great now. It was a learning curve for all of us, but they did a great job coming in and standing behind the product.
And what do you think that says about Mestek as a company standing behind their machine and behind their customers when they make an investment in Mestek?
That's the same thing Sessa Sheetmetal stands by. We stand behind our product, and we appreciate that. Anybody that does the same thing we do, we can definitely understand that and appreciate that.